Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the Ps4 and giving it 10 to 20 seconds. This clears transient Bluetooth locks. Next, flip the controller and find the tiny reset hole by L2. Insert a 0. 8 to 1 mm pin and press for 5 seconds to trigger the hardware reset. Once done, reconnect Ps4 power and turn the console back on. Make sure the controller has fresh charge or a USB cable attached before continuing, because pairing needs stable power. With the console running, plug a reliable USB cable from controller to Ps4. Wired pairing bypasses Bluetooth noise. Press and hold the PS button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar flashes and the console recognizes the device. If the controller does not appear, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth devices, and select Wireless Controller to pair manually. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off or distant. Interference often blocks discovery, so move phones or speakers away while you connect. Finish by testing controller input in the quick menu and in a game to confirm full responsiveness. If something feels off, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, perform the reset again, then reconnect via USB before trying wireless pairing. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing still fails, swap to a different USB cable and charge for at least 1 hour. Alternatively, reboot the Ps4 Bluetooth module by fully powering down and unplugging for 30 seconds. That usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.